Hi guys, so nasa pink wall hop tayo guys, but difficult ata to. Let's try. Mahirap ata to guys. Ayan guys, so haba kasi tatapos kasi kung kaya natin. Okay, wag na pala guys. Ayoko na. Guys, how the god damn you guys are good. But let's go again. Huh? Core blocks? Yes. Wow. Headless. Core blocks. Wow, it's true. Kala ko peke na naman. Wait. Ooh. So guys, that's ang hirap naman eh. So this is difficulty guys. So para tayo. As you can see guys, ito nga pala ang aking mga friends, mga pinagsusulatan ko. Tapos guys, ano kaya dito ang pwede natin pili tayo. Eto kung madali lang to, sige join natin. New update kasi daw eh. New updated girl. Charo? So yun pala guys, punta kami sa church or simbahan or sa galer. Oh Lord. Oh, this is kinda easy bro. This is easy. Okay. This is easy peasy. No! No! Nakaya ko siya, be. Sometimes hard, guys. Raise your dream. Oh my God! Nakaya ko na, be. Dati ko kasi hindi ko kaya yan. Pero ngayon, kaya ko. Naikaya ko na siya, guys. So, as you can see, guys. Chikalaka, boom. Wow! My God, guys. Oh. How did he get that? Let's say. Headless. Ooh, I got the headless. Oh my God, I'm so bad. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, I've been doing this all my life. But here is a tricky question. Ask me a question and I'll answer it. Just comment down below. So my brother asked me how to record. It's easy, just click here. Just click in here, and if you see a screen record, click it. That's how. Comment down below if you want what game should I join. Like what practice I'm gonna do. I've been working this all day, bro. It's already by. Okay. See, that's not hard, guys. You see? See, it's not hard. It's easy. But not in that part, not this part, not that part. I'm not better at that part, guys. So my rotoscoping, guys. So let's just wait. Just no. Oh. Oh my god. Here we go again. Here we go again. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'll be bye bye. Cause I don't need too long to record. So see ya. Or maybe later. See ya later.